Hi everyone, welcome back to Lots of Yum for You, where we create deliciousness. And today we're going to create some delicious, crispy, oven-baked chicken wings. Well, actually chicken drumettes. Yes, those are my favorite part. I didn't do the whole wings, but we're doing the drumettes. And although I may not like sports, I still will eat the chicken wings. I think most of us, I was gonna say we all, but I think most people love chicken wings. And we like them hot and mucho caliente, which is spicy. All right, so we're not even gonna fry these, and they're gonna be delicious. These are going to be some delicious, crunchy, oven-baked chicken wings. So let's dive right into this video and create some deliciousness. Hi everyone, I am ready to dive right into making this deliciousness. Here we have our wingettes, and I just have the drumettes from the wings. That's it. And then salt and some baking powder. And baking powder is what's going to make this dish crispy. So before we get started, I've got my oven preheating to 250 degrees. And then here's our pan. I put foil on the bottom of our pan. And this is a grill pan. So this pan has a rack. And this is what your pan should look like. And then with your pan, you also want to spray the grill with the spray. All right, there we go. So our grill pan is sprayed with a oil spray, cooking spray. Now, we gotta take a plastic bag and put in the baking powder and the salt. It's a Ziploc bag. You're gonna shake that around a little bit. And then going to take and put in the chicken wings. So we're gonna put in our chicken wings into the bag. Our chicken drumettes. Here we go. And then remove this bowl. I'll just place it in the sink. And I don't need this right now. Zip it up and shake these wings up. So there we go. And now I'm gonna shake these wings up and make sure that they're all coated. Oops, making a mess. That all the wings are coated with the baking powder. All right, let's look inside and see what we have here. Oh, wow. Okay. Let me just do another little shake, and then I think all of our wings will be coated. Okay. They are ready. We'll set the wings off to the side, move this bowl, and here is our prepared oven grill pan. And now we're going to put the wings on the pan and place this pan of chicken. We're gonna start off at 250 degrees in our preheated oven for 30 minutes. So let's start that. Okay, now that our chicken is ready and our pan is ready, I'm going to put it on the lower shelf of the oven at 250 degrees for 30 minutes. Okay, I just put our chicken in the oven for 30 minutes, and while the chicken is in the oven, we are going to make this delicious sauce. I have hot sauce here, butter, and brown sugar. Give it a hint of sweet. So we're gonna go over to the stove and make the hot wing sauce for our chicken. See you there. Hi everyone, we are at the stove now to do our sauce. So I'm gonna turn the fire on to a kind of a low medium heat. Okay, and that's where I'm gonna put in the brown sugar, our butter, and the hot sauce. Okay. So what we're doing is, all we're going to do is, we're just gonna simmer this, not cooking anything, we're just warming it up so that our brown sugar will melt and our butter will melt together and give us the delicious sauce that we need to coat our chicken. So there's no set time to leave this in. Once your butter melts and your sugar is melted, then you can turn off the fire. We're just, like I said, melting the butter, incorporating and melting the sugar. That's pretty much it. And that won't take long. The butter is melting fast right now because our hot sauce is starting to warm up. The butter is melted and our sauce is ready. I'm just gonna leave it on the stove and turn it off. And then we'll use it when the chicken is ready. We are at the stove and the chicken has been in here for 30 minutes at 250 degrees on the bottom rack. Now we're gonna raise the oven to 425 degrees. And then we're gonna let the chicken, put the chicken on the top rack and cook it for 50 minutes. Okay, so I am ready. This is what our chicken looks like after 30 minutes of 250 degrees. And now we're going to place it in the oven on the top rack for 50 minutes at 425 degrees. And then after that, we're gonna take it out of the oven and take it to our tasting area and see it and give it the deliciousness test. So I will see you guys soon when our chicken is ready. Hi everyone, welcome back. And this is our chicken. It's been in the oven for 50 minutes at 425 degrees. And look how crispy and delicious the chicken is. Yes, it is. Nice, crispy, and delicious. Oh yeah, I did pick that up, didn't I? Okay, so our next step after our chicken comes out of the oven is we are going to, I'm going to move the pan, take the chicken, put all the chicken in this big bowl, and as you remember, we already did the sauce on the stove, the hot sauce. So I'm gonna put all this chicken in here. It is nice and crispy. And the baking powder helps to get the chicken to crisp up, and without grease. We didn't have to spray the chicken with any grease. It's crispy from the grease in the skin of the chicken. And then I'm going to take remember when we made the sauce? Here's the sauce. And I just take it and spoon it all over the chicken. You can save some for dipping. Okay. So I'll save a little bit of the sauce for dipping. All right, this smells so good. And there we go. I just kind of stir the chicken around or move that sauce around and make sure that I've got sauce on all my chicken pieces. And that's it. This oven baked crispy chicken is ready. It looks delicious. And here we go, folks. All right. So let's get ready for the deliciousness test. So I have a plate of vegetables to go with the chicken, cauliflower, tomatoes, and celery. And then I have my side bowl of ranch dressing for dipping. Okay, so it's time for the deliciousness test now. Okay, everyone, I'm ready for the deliciousness test. And again, here we have it with cauliflower, those crispy oven baked hot wings, and tomatoes and celery. So I am ready for the deliciousness test. Here we go. Oh. Amazing. Yummy. Yum, yummy, yummy. Well, I don't want to stand here all day and yell out yummy. And I'll just do a little dip. Delicious. So these are delicious, amazing, oven-baked, crunchy chicken wings. Your family will love them. You will love them. Perfect for game day or any day. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. I hope to see you soon. And remember, these are delicious with a side of a bunch of delicious vegetables. All right, bye for now. And oh yeah, don't forget my word on this chicken deliciousness.